how to make order on Fiverr. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make an order right over here on Fiverr. You're looking for a service, you can purchase it right here quickly and easily. So the first thing you need to do is create a Fiverr account, and you need to be in a buyer's account. So this is what your buyer's account will look like, and just for reference, this is what your seller's account looks like. So on the top right hand side, if you click on your profile picture, it'll say switch to buying. If it does not say that, then you're already on your buyer's account. So also you'll be able to access everyone else that is selling something, selling a service or whatever it is. So what we're going to have a look at is the first thing you need to do, looking at why you would need an order. What is it that you need to purchase? So let's go ahead here and go a video editor, and we're going to just hit enter. So what you're going to see now are a bunch of people that offer video editing services. So you can now change the service options over here. You can change the seller's details, the budget, and the delivery time. So all these details we are going to just leave exactly the way it is right now, and basically it's just giving you anybody that does any type of video editing. So as you can see here, all of these portfolios, they all look very, very good. What we want to look out for is high star ratings. So 4.8, 4.95, those are good star ratings. And then the number that is just next to the star rating, that number is how many ratings this seller actually has. So 99 people have given this person 5 stars. For me, that is a great portfolio. So this is somebody that we want to use a service from. So we're going to go into this person over here. We're going to tap anywhere on this person's portfolio. You can see now that Skylar has an introductory video. You may want to watch that. And then on the left hand side, you want to read more about Skylar, about this gig, and what it offers, what it doesn't offer, what is going to be extras and add-ons. And before hitting the order button, please inbox me to specify the type of service and parameters for your project. So this seller gives all the details. You can see there's also a bunch more information over here, and there are then different packages on this left hand side of the screen. So you can either select the basic, the standard, and then the premium. On the right hand side over here, you also have that option, so you can either select basic, standard, premium. For now, we're going to just hit the basic, and once you have decided that this is the person that you want to use for your order, you're going to go ahead and tap on continue on the right hand side of the screen. Now this will take you in to this window on the right. You can see now that there are a few options that you are given. So we have the basic, it's a silver, video under 10 minutes. I will edit your video, podcast, Zoom meeting, video, or interview. Okay, so that's great. It also tells you it's a single order. Subscribe, you can do that. You have a 3-month plan or a 6-month plan, and then you can upgrade your orders with some extras, and either it's a fast 1-day delivery, additional revisions. You can also tap on show more extras, color grading, motion graphics, thumbnails, include subtitles, intro or outro, frame or background, vertical version, sorry. And this is now all of the extra options. So what it basically says here is $2.99 from the second order. So that's great. It gives you all of the details right over here, and then you can tap on continue on the bottom right hand side. It does state though that you will not be charged yet, so we still are going through the order process. Now once you have tapped the continue button, you will now get into the area where you can confirm your payment. Now of course I don't really need this service, so the next step I will not be showing you. It is relatively simple. If you know what your needs are and what your project needs to be completed, then you will be able to go through this process very easily. So after adding your billing information, your payment options, card number, the expiry date, the security code, first name, last name, or the option to pay with PayPal, then you're going to tap on pay and subscribe. And once that is complete, you'll go to the submit requirements page, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is where you will enter in all of your details and everything that you need for your project, and then you will submit that, and this person over here will receive that and will complete all of the work that is required of her. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down in the comments section, and we will see you in the next video. Cheers for now.